Hey everyone, if you are someone who really want to speak English but still struggling, even though you read so many books, you watched so many movies, you wrote every day, but still you are confusing, still you don't know how to start or you are not able to speak English. So this video is for you because today I am going to give you 5 tips that must help you to be fluent in this language. So please watch this video till the end and so that you can get a lot of things from that video. Once there was a boy named Rahul. Rahul really wanted to speak English fluently. He read so many books, he watched so many movies, even he wrote down every single day in his copy so that he could speak English fluently. But whenever somebody spoke English with him, he just silent. He was not able to give any reply. And do you know why it happened? Because he never practiced. And this is the problem happened with you too. I know you know all the grammar rule. You know if somebody asks you any question, you can understand. But the thing is that you don't know how to structure sentence. You think what happened if you make any mistake or what happened if people take you in a wrong way. Right? So even same thing happened with Rahul too. So one day Rahul made a promise to himself and he decided to speak every single day. And you know what? Something magically happened with him. Since he started speaking every single day, in a month, he has improved a lot. He can see his improvement. So, same thing I also want you to do. So the 5 things that you should follow it. The first thing is that try to speak English every single day. Even though you can talk to yourself, even though you can talk to your friends, your family, whoever around you, just talk to them. Second one is that try to learn 4 5 words every single day and practice it. Don't only learn it, right? Like if you learn any new word, like if you learn any new word, like intrigue means something which is very important for you. So just practice in your day-to-day word. And once you start practicing, you will feel more confidence while speaking. So whenever you came across any new word, just practice it. So next, what you should do whenever you came across any story, try to read short story every single day. And not only read it, just try to translate in your own words. So what you should do, you should write it down. When I do this practice, I have some book, I try to read those stories. After that, I try to write it and it really helped me a lot. And I'm sure guys, if you also follow it, it will help you a lot. And last but not least is that you should have a confidence. See, even though if you are very well known grammar, even though if you know grammar very well, even though you can understand, but if you don't have courage to speak, you can never speak. So start your thought with positive thought. So try to think that yes, I can speak. If somebody speak with you, so feel like yes, I can speak, I can give answer, and you this attitude will make you really confidence. And if you are confident, you can do everything in this world. Nothing is impossible. Only we need a lot of courage and be confident. So please guys follow these tips and it will help you tremendously in your speaking journey. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.